Welcome my dear students. In this lesson we are discuss about the computer and the parts of computer. Computer, as you know that computer is an electronic device which can be used for the different purposes in different places. Let us discuss the parts of computer, how the computer is work with its parts. The first part of computer is called the CPU. It is a main part of computer and it stands for Central Processing Unit. It is also called the brain of computer. Just our brain, it helps us to remember the things and think. The CPU help us to remember things and think, so we call it the brain of computer. Thus it does the calculation and store the information very quickly in the computer. CPU is always kept inside a box, so which is known as a CPU box. A CPU is further divided into the three parts: ALU, arithmetic logical unit, control unit, and memory unit. Next one is monitor. Monitor looks like a TV screen. Can you see the pictures and movies on a monitor? It display result. It also display the instructions and give by keyboard and mouse on the screen. Monitor is also called the VDU. Is called the visual display unit. We can view every result and instructions on it. Next is the keyboard. Keyboard has many keys. It is a main part of computer using for the typing purpose. The number of keys on the keyboard are 104, 104. The keys are used to type or input information such as data, words, numbers, etc. Into a computer, the keys with numbers are called the numbers key. The keys with letters are called the alphabet key. These are A to Z, and numbers keys are 0 to 9. There are 26 alphabet keys and 10 number keys in a keyboard. There are many more keys on the keyboard which are the special functions. Next is mouse. A mouse has two or three buttons. It is always kept on the pad. It's called the mouse pad. A mouse is used for selecting or pointing towards the icon, display on a screen, and monitor. A mouse is used for drawing, painting, and playing games. So these are the main parts of the computer. But in some other, it's called the peripheral parts of the computer. Peripheral part means there are some other parts which are connected to the computer to get their works. These are called the peripheral, and the one of the most part of the peripheral parts of computer is a printer. Printer is required to get the printout of type matters, letters, numbers, pictures on a paper. The text printed on a paper is also known as a hard copy. Commonly, the printer are the three types: inkjet printer, laser printer, and dot matrix printer. Inkjet printer and laser printer and dot matrix printer, all these printer are the different purpose and the different working. Now, all of these laser printer is the best quality for the working. Thank you, my students.